Magsugod na sad ta sa atong buhaton. Look. I'll do this our work. There. This is my work. There. This is my work here. This one. I'm doing my work now. Doing my work here. I-arrange kay sahay. Kita na itong amo. Itong amo. Ano nga. Ugaw. Masa naman sila na ako. Buwan ko. Okay. Ano naman sila na ako. Usay sa mahilngan po. Awa ni mo na orange. Nga timing nga. Timingan dyan nga, dili mo timingan ba? Nagikatag niya, ikatag, o wala na orange, may paghiling. Ay, sorry. That's there. Need to arrange all. What is this here? Fish got sometimes should be timing when our boss inspection, so we cannot clean up there. Oh, okay. Oh, it's still flying. Sometimes this one, I think this, there. Sometimes I clean this one, sometimes not. And then after that, when my boss infections this, It's already messy, so that's why my boss said, you don't. So, sometimes, yeah. Yeah, look at this. You see a nice here. Look. This is all. This one. Look at that. So nice. This one. Yeah, it's so nice, right? There, we'll file here. There. And there. And I don't know where's the others. It's gone. Oh, there. So here, I'm done. I work here. So I all done. Hello, hi, Jeffrey. Hi, Jeffrey, how are you? La 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 la. La 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 la. Na atong kinabuhi sa tao. Pam pam pam. Masaya pa rin tayo. Masaya ang buhay. Masaya ang buhay. Now, hello, hi. Hi, this is a female lizard rello. I don't know how to read it. So I'm here. I almost finished my work, and then when I'm working, I'm not clean all the room because it's so big. So that's what happened. Sometimes I do exercises. Look at this, my shirt is already like damaged because of the sun rocks or the for cleaning the cleanser. Sometimes it spread to my shirt, so that's what happened. It's okay, it's fine, no matter what. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment below. Bye bye, love you.